Now I'll share you all of guys our CNC department for some details. Just make so many of electrodes. So many of electrodes. However, for these small machines in CNC functions, just making and tooling and machining the very high precision electrode. However, you know, the electrode, it means the original, almost original products. Thank you too much. However, if you need to making some precision parts, accessories, and very precision modes. However, we are the right person, the right supplier, and the right factory for you, for worldwide, for future years. Thank you so much.